It's a warmer morning, but let y'all know how we do. Yeah, I'll try to get some videos of it. Hopefully it'll be a good day, boys. Yeah. So, let's say they won't come back at you.
Yes, sir. Let's go, baby. Whoa. Yeah. Something, baby. Woo-hoo.
He's on the track now. I think we got him down here. I think we see a white belly. We'll see what we got when we get down here. Oh yeah, he down. He is down. He rolled down the hill, boy. Ooh yeah. Woo.
That's so good. Virginia.
Look at that.
He's mature too.
Good old Virginia mountain buck right here coming at you.
Almost an 8 point. That nub's rubbed off, man.
Did he rub it on?
I guess. Look at it. Yeah, I had to.
Was an 8, but now he's a 7 because he likes to rub a tree too hard. Golly, he's wide too, ain't he? He got some monster base. He got some good base on it right there at the base of his arm. I tell you what, it's 2 weekends, 2 deer.
Big one too.
Oh yeah, he's a brute.
Bruiser. So. Bruiser. Yeah. Thank God. Alright guys, we got it done. He's a little stiff. We was trying to wait on everybody else to get one, but it didn't happen like that. But he's a nice 7, trying to be an 8. It broke off. I don't know when, but it did. But he's a big bodied deer. And Blaze still get a chance at him.
Old neck swole on him.
Yeah, he's in rut. Here's your split. He might have been a daggone high fence deer. Look at here. It's split.
He does that old split here.
But we'll catch you on the next one. Like, subscribe.
What's up?
You got
Don't forget.
Brandon back there.
Don't forget to like, subscribe, follow. Remember, if it wasn't for the good Lord, we wouldn't all be able to do this stuff. So thank him every day for his wonderful creation we got out here. So we'll catch you in the next video. Happy Boys out.